In this video, I want to be discussing what are YouTube badges. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so YouTube badges are icons or symbols that appear next to a user's name in comments, live chats, and sometimes on their profile. They help to identify different roles and level of engagement within the YouTube community. So here are the I think there's about 5 or 6 different types of badges you can get. So the first one is membership badges, which another word, loyalty badges. So this is available to YouTube channel members who join a creator's paid membership program. These badges appear next to members' name in the comments and live chats. They change over time to reflect how long someone has been a member. For example, new member might get a star while a long-term member gets a crown. Moderator badges, so they are typically shown with a blue wrench, given to users appointed as moderators by the channel owner. Moderators can remove comments, time out users, or block spammers in live chat. The third one is verified badges, so check marks or music notes for artists given to official YouTube creators or artists with over 100,000 subscribers. It helps viewers identify real channels from impersonators. YouTube staff badges, which are typically grey shields, only used by YouTube employees when interacting with users. And the fifth one is live chat badges. So these are special event badges. So some live streams have special event badges for certain participants, like sponsors or VIPs. Badges help recognize engagement, authority, and official status on YouTube. So yeah, want to earn one? Let me know which type you're interested in the comments below.